husband of Teresa. My house is being located in First Fatrade ward and this complaint was given by me in month of April. I just want to ask the Panchayat, our local ward member Roland Fernandez and Flavia Barreto, our Sarpanch, I all hand in gloves with this builder lobby, Mr. Ashley Dias, who's constructing illegal construction going on in survey number 117/2. I just want to know the answers. It's been 3 months that I'm waiting for your answers and for the inspections. The day of the inspections, this owner, Mr. Ashley Dias, he just locks the premises and he goes. And next day they open the locks. They do all this behind the gates.
Meet Flavia Barreto, the Sarpanch. This is regarding illegal construction conducted by Ashley Dias. From since 29th April, the letters have been given. First place, 2 months there were no inspection held. Now also before doing this live videos or whatever we are doing, we had called up Flavia. Flavia said she called up at some of the reporters have called her saying that we'll be doing a video. But she has not arrived. She said she would be coming. She has not arrived. Now the question is, we have given a letter in the month of April, 28th April, the first letter of illegal construction conducted by Ashley Dias. The letter, she gave a stop order. After the stop order, there is no inspection conducted by the Panchayat. They wait for the BDO to come conduct an inspection, where we have given the deputy director as well as the block development officer and the director of Panchayat. All the places the letters have been inwarded, and these are the letters which we have inwarded them. After that, we have conducted another flying squad because there was a landfilling also done at that same place. Unfortunately, that also inspection has remained blank. Now coming to yesterday, now the inspection is not conducted by the Panchayat. And I went to block development officer. When they came, the locks, they have, Ashley Dias is not there at that place. He just keeps it locked. But other days, he's always there. Now yesterday, what is to be done? 3 times inspection, the same story. Unfortunately, it's the same story. Now I want to, when I went yesterday, that is to the block development officer, she has given me a memorandum that is issued now for the next month. Now I say, again, it will be the same thing. What every time I'm going to ask, apply for an illegal construction again and again, what is being done? And when I asked, then she told me to go to meet Sanjana ma'am, who is the deputy director of the Panchayat. She started telling actually the Panchayat has all the rights. Now this is like a round game. From the deputy director, it comes to block development, again it's come to the Panchayat. Now again we started from zero, again we come back to zero. But Panchayat is not taking any initiative of doing anything. There's no initiative taken by the Panchayat. In fact, she is waiting for the block development officers. Can't she conduct the inspection? Okay, now 20 days I'm going to wait without an inspection. Means you all are allowing illegalities to happen. It's a clear indication you all are allowing it and you all are encouraging it.
We are all from Varca village and my name is Francis. First of all, मुझे question video. Madam, these 5 members, they don't have clock in, clock out system. Kenna in, kenna ospache. Now we are waiting for the Sarpanch. The Sarpanch said she is coming. After 1 hour, she says she is not coming. And this is the pattern. Where this inspection asata, the opposite party na. And it happened with Panch member Roland Fernandez also. Jenna tege illegal restaurant ache, inspection kadpa, pollution board eta, health eta. To na. Te dustenge restaurant bond asata. And pollution board ye te report proita. Found the restaurant closed mo. Are? O kaisa system mo? Test kuzara inspection hai to sagle ne apna illegal bond dorpache. And the report will come. We found the place closed. And दूसरा इसमें क्या इनको खुद ऑपरेट करे. Same thing with this builder. Inspection आते हैं तो उसका बंद होता. And the very next day इनको काम चालू होता. This has become a joke. Varca Panchayat has become a disaster for the villagers. तुम्ही recently एक inspection चला असेल है. Where outsider water meter काढ तो full construction होता, illegal construction. 5 Sarpanch, they are standing over there. कुतवर काढला. आता हे कुतवर कित्या काढला ते म्हाका लोकांक सांगोचे. What is the profit for the Sarpanch and Panch? हे तरी कोणी लोकलान गेलोले. हे 5 and Sarpanch आते सारखे माय घेन सारखे लोका गांच लोका ताशिता. हे कित्या ताशना. हें कित्याक तशें हें लोकांक सांगो जाय हें कित्याक निवडून हाडलें गांवच्या लोकांक सांबाळपाको वो ह्या बायमुच्चां सांबाळपाको स्वता म्हणटाय कितें गांवच बेदी आनी बायल पयशे दाखोवन गांव फोदोड हेसो आमगेलें हें वार्का पंचायतान चलोलां आनी हो रोलंड फेर्नांदीस हो वॉर्ड पंच तेणें थिंगा एक्शन घेवपा जाय आसलें तो देखून येना त्या बिल्डरागे इन्स्पेक्शना आतां कित्याक लागून येना हें तेणें सांगो जाय तेणें प्रेस घेवन सांगो जाय आपूण कित्याक लागून येना तो